Welcome back to Miss Curtis's art class. So today I'm excited. I'm going to teach you how to draw a bear. So if you've ever wondered how to draw a bear, today you are going to learn how. I am going to be using a Sharpie marker. You can use a pencil or a pen marker, whatever you have is fine. So the first thing we're going to do is start with our frame and name. So let's hold our paper tight. And we are going to start drawing a line around the edge of our paper. So here we go. Start with this left side. Okay, the next step that you are going to want to do, and I'm just going to lift this here for a second. You are going to want to write your first and last name at the bottom right. I'm using a pen to do that because this is a small area. So I'm writing Miss Curtis, homeroom 217. You're going to put your homeroom down there, whatever it is. And this is a great way so that when I'm collecting your work, I know exactly where it goes. Okay, so the next step we are going to do is start to draw the head first of this bear. So I'm going to start with a circle shape, and it's going to be over on the left side because the rest of the body is going to go on the right side. So please don't make the head right in the middle if you could avoid that. So, using my marker, I'm going to make a circle shape, just like so. It's a little tricky with this marker. It's a very big Sharpie marker I'm using here. Okay, now the next step is off of this circle shape, I'm going to make a body, which is going to be an oval shape, and it's going to start at the bottom of the head and wrap around towards the top. So I'm going to hold my paper, and with my right hand, I am going to start to make this oval looking shape for the body of this bear. And it's gonna come up just like that. Okay. Now, the next step is to make two ears on the top of this bear's head. So I am going to make a circle on the left side and a circle on the right side. The next step is going to be to add the facial features of this bear. Now the first thing I'm going to do is make a teardrop shape in the middle, and I'll show you what that looks like, and then I can start with the other parts. So the teardrop shape is going to be towards the top of the bear's head. Come down just like so, and wrap right back up. Again, a teardrop or a raindrop shape right here. The next step is going to be to make the nose of the bear, and that's in the middle of this raindrop shape, and it is a triangle, just like so. And I'm actually going to color that in with my marker. So if you have a black crayon or a black marker, you could color that in. And then we're going to make the mouth of this bear. So the mouth of the bear is going to look like an anchor, if you've ever seen an anchor in the ocean, or it's just going to be these two curved shapes I'm going to show you. So the first one's going to come down almost like the letter J on the left, and then curve down to the right side too. So already you can see that this bear is really starting to come together. The next step is going to be to make two eyes, which is an oval shape on the left side and an oval shape on the right side. Okay, just a couple more steps left. The next step is going to be to put some texture on the bear. So we are gonna add some hair onto the bear. And to do that, you are going to randomly put little lines throughout the bear's body, just like so. And then the last step is going to be to add the bear's legs. So I'm gonna start on the left side of the bear. I'm going to make curving lines coming down, coming up. So I've got one leg, the second leg. Now it's kind of like a rectangle shape. And then I'm leaving a little space in between because the bear has legs in the front and 2 legs in the back. I'm going to do another leg and then the last leg. And just like that, you have a bear that is kind of crawling about, possibly in the woods. However you want to draw this, whatever kind of background you want to draw, that's up to you. I think I will start by making a horizon line right here. I'm gonna stop where the bear is and then keep going on the other side. So it looks like he's standing on some sort of ground. And then if I wanted to add some trees or some mountains, possibly a sun, maybe a cave, that might be kind of cool. Maybe I'll make a cave right over here. And we know cave has a darker inside, so maybe I can color that in. So maybe he lives in there. And in the background, maybe I'll put a few different mountains, because bears usually live out in the mountains, right? And I can put some snow caps on those by making these almost like a zigzag line. So go ahead and draw whatever kind of background you'd like to do. Put a little grass down here. Okay. All right, so now I will show you how you would color this in. So I'm going to color in my bear. I'm going to make this bear brown. So I'm going to use markers and color pencils to do that. If you have crayons at home, you can use those. Or if you have markers, of course, you can use those too. I think I'll use a lighter brown as well. And just use these 2 colors for my bear. So I'm gonna start by coloring this inside part of the nose of the bear. I'm gonna do a lighter color brown, and maybe the ears that color as well, and the feet. And notice I'm just making a circular motion for the ears, and then when I was coloring the nose, I'm going straight up and down, and same with the legs. So I'm using the tip of my color pencil to make sure I get in all the little areas, especially near the edge of the line. I'm trying to stay in the line and color them in full. Okay, put that to the side, and I'm going to use my marker to color in the rest of the bear, and then I will color in the background as well. So I'm going to speed this up for you so you can see, and then I'm excited to see how your bears come out as well. So my video cut out there, but I did finish coloring in my mountains, and I made the sky yellow. I decided to make my mountains 3 different colors. I thought that would be fun. I wanted the bottom part to have some greenery in it, because usually with mountain ranges, the bottom part still has some greenery, and then as you move up, it gets colder and colder, and I thought that moving from blue to purple would be a neat effect. And then again, I made my sky yellow, so it seems like it's either very early in the morning or maybe it's it's in the afternoon. So go ahead and decide how you want to color your background. What kind of design do you want to make? You don't have to make a cave. I just thought that would be kind of fun. So can't wait to see how yours come out, and I'm excited for next week's lesson too.